Hello, good morning. So, nagising ako na 6:30. And by 7, wala ng kuryente. By 7:30 na. And may physical later. Huling exam. Ayan. 12. Yeah. And mahirap mag-baby pag walang kuryente kasi madilim. Thank you guys for loving me. Later. Nakakapagod mag-front here. So much. Like, on my face. I'm tired. So tired. Like, punong-puno yung thoughts ko ngayon. Kasi ang daming gagawin. May movie na naman kami sa Thursday. Meron pa sa Friday. Tapos yung lab manual need na namin gawin. May ipapasa sa Thursday and Friday. Hindi ko alam. I mean, like, alam ko namang with the help of God, makakaya ko to. Pero sobra talaga. Punong-puno na yung utak ko. Hindi ko alam talaga, girl. So tiring. Like, look at my face. I'm so marag. Guard na siya. I don't know. So tiring. Kakapagod so much.